So I'm going to prompt the AI as a final project for the topics we have discussed so far. Create a progress project. Okay, so I can say then build personal profile with a proper HTML structure using what we have learned so far. So let's wait. So I think I need to again restructure. So this was HTML comments. Sorry. I want to restructure my code files. I think this was what? The AI is processing, no problem. So this was HTML basics, HTML basics. So I think I'll need to rename it. I'll come here and create a new folder. I call it 1.1 HTML basics. Okay, so I'm going to move all these files into this folder of HTML basics. So I'll just simply click here and select up to here and then move them in this folder. So let us see what so this is what AI has developed for us as our current progress project, right? So there it is. Let's see how it looks like. So I've already put another folder inside here. So if I come, this is our simple our simple web page using what we have learned so far. So you can have here the links. Okay, you can have the links, but these links are leading to the very page, the hobbies, the about me, and then you can see we have implemented H1 tag, we've implemented H2 tags, and the H3 tags have implemented lists, and we've implemented the listing, and paragraph. So I'll need you to also do the same. Your task is to create a recipe page using using headings and paragraphs and formatting of what we have covered so far, and using AI to prompt it to do something that is actually right, but within the context of what we have so far done, what we have so far covered. So that's what you'll be doing before we start the next topic, and when you're done, you can proceed to the next topic.